say, my name is Poppy and I am 5. Hold on a second.
Hey, I'm 5. Right now?
Yeah, today you are.
Do I say it now? My name is Poppy and I'm 5. I'm going to show you my favorite toy. My favorite toy is Shopkins. I like Shopkins because they're cute. This is Sandy Bun, Dog Bowl, and Flashy. Being 5 is fun, but I don't like being 5 because I just don't want to grow up. I'm scared because my mommy and daddy can't hold me anymore. My favorite shows is a Pokemon and My Little Ponies. My favorite movie, what shows are movies? My favorite movies is Frozen and Tangled. And my favorite food is hamburgers and cake. My favorite music is from Equestria Girls Rainbow Rocks. My friends are Maisie, Milo, Marin, Molly, and Dorothy, and Mia. My favorite things I like to do is play blocks and play with Dorothy and read books with Dorothy and play baby with Dorothy. I like to dance with me. I like to read books with her, watch Pokemon with her, and I snuggle up with her. Have a great year.